Breakcold CRM tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Breakcold CRM. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is basically to open your browser and kindly go to breakcold.com. And if you haven't signed up for Breakcold yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know Breakcold, it is a platform that offers social selling software, a sales CRM, a cold email software, and more, in which it provides tools for B2B relationship building, prospecting, and sales automation. And this platform is designed for SMBs and startups with pricing from $29 per month and free trial available, in which it supports features such as prospect organization, custom fields, and integration with LinkedIn and Twitter for CRM purposes. And additionally, Breakcold is known for its cold email outreach software with personalized icebreakers powered by AI, which aims to boost open and reply rates. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a pricing plan that you can avail by clicking this pricing option on the top panel. Below here, you can choose either Breakcold CRM or Breakcold Plus, in which it will show you the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included. But if you want to try Breakcold for free, just click this button on the top right corner that says Try Breakcold Free. And after signing up, the next thing that you need to do is to log in with your account. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that we can navigate, including pipeline, leads, campaigns, task, inbox, engagement, and many more. And as you can see, we're currently under engagement. And from here, it will show you that you can connect your LinkedIn account, your Twitter account, that will allow you to like, comment, and send DMs to your leads and messages to your leads. And also under engagement, it will show you the step-by-step process that you need to do to engage prospects with social selling to build B2B relationship faster, such as to add prospects, add your social, and also to start the tracking. Now let's start by adding prospect by simply clicking on it. You will be directed on this page, in which from here it will show you the list of your leads, and it will allow you to organize and manage your prospects, including adding a custom fields and notes. And if you want to add your lead, just click this button on the top right corner, and you will be directed in here, in which all you need to do is to simply click the button that says create. And after that, it will show you from here your leads that have now been created. And if you want to change the details of it, just kindly click on it, and you will be directed again in here. And on the left side panel, you can add or customize by filling out all of the required information, including the city, phone, company profile, LinkedIn account, the email address, and many more. And that is under the personal information. And aside from that, if you want to add new field, kindly click here, and it will show you below here the text input that you can customize depending on your preferences on the field that you choose. So for instance, I'm going to enter here birthday as the field. And aside from that, you will also see on the top panel that you can even add a task and also select the status of these leads, and also to customize the first name and last name of these leads. And by simply clicking this task, you can assign by entering the name of the task and also by notifying below here the users who are responsible for this specific task. And after creating your task, just click Add Task button below here. And aside from that, to select status, kindly click this button, and it will show you the status that are available, including engaged, interested, warm, and close. But if you want to add a new status, you can do so by simply clicking the plus button. And that is just how you can add a leads in this Breakcold. Now, closing this tab, going back on this page right here, if you're now done adding your leads, it will show you here the lead's name, the status of it, the tags, and also the social media link that are linked on a specific leads. And aside from that, you could also navigate the pipeline option on the left side panel, in which from here, this option is used to manage the sales pipeline stages of a business, in which it helps users to stay organized and accelerate their sales cycles by moving prospects through each stage until they become paying customer and beyond. And as you can see from here, you will see the number of balance of engaged, interested, warm, and other status of the specific leads. And aside from that, from here, by simply clicking these three dots on the right side panel, it will allow you to import leads, export leads, and also even add an integration. And by choosing import, you can select or upload file by turning this on depending on your preferences. Since the pipeline option is designed to work with platforms for other features such as the LinkedIn engagement tool and the email assistant to help users engage with prospects and write effective cold emails. And from here, you can simply add integration by clicking this button, and from this pop-up window, it will show you some of the platform that you could also integrate, such as Zapier, Publi, webhooks, and API. And aside from pipeline option, you could also navigate here on the left side panel the campaigns, and by clicking on it, it will show you here the list of your campaign. And to create a new one, just click this button on the top right corner, Create Campaign. Then just proceed by entering the name of your campaign here, and after that, proceed by clicking the Continue button below. And after that, you will be directed in here, in which all you need to do is to fill out or to complete the process such as under the leads, sequences, settings, and also review. So under these leads, the first thing that you need to do is to import leads and start building relationship, followed by sequences, settings, in which from here, it will enable you to connect an email account to schedule the timing, or you can send an email during a specific range of time and select the sending days and even the daily sending limit. And from here, you could also enable subscribe link and also track email opens. And after completing the settings option, you will be directed under the review, in which if you fill out all of the required information, there's a high chance that your campaigns will be completed. And aside from that, under the task option on the left side panel, from here it will show you the list of tasks. And to create one, just click Add Task button on the top right corner. And all you need to do is to fill out all of these required fields, including the name, the notify or the name of the user, and also to select when, such as tomorrow, next week, next month, or even a specific date. Then just click Add Task button to proceed. Now moving on, you could also navigate the inbox option from here, in which it serves the purpose of managing and organizing email conversations with prospects, in which the inbox feature in Breakcold helps users streamline their sales processes by organizing and categorizing email conversation, making it easier to engage with prospects and track the progress of their sales campaigns. And also, aside from those options, you could also navigate the settings option, in which by simply clicking on it, you can navigate here your profile, security, general, your accounts, your members, in which you can add integration, advanced, webhook, and many more. And aside from that, going back in here, you can even invite your teammates by simply entering here their email address, and make sure that to enter the email address separated by commas. So that is just how you can use Breakcold CRM. Thank you.